Hello to you. I'm so pleased with this little underwear set I made for her. It's so easy and quite cute. I'll put a link in the description box here up here, or I tag for you so you can see how I made this. I'm definitely going to buy some more colors in the stretchy lace and make some more underwear because this is quite cute. Okay, so today I'm going to make just some ski pants or leggings, like some call it, and the top is just a long sleeve top. Um, I'm not even going to use a pattern for this. I'm going to make it straight from the doll because she's a real Barbie doll. Her arms can bend sideways and her legs can open, so it's so easy to make a pattern directly from the doll. So I'm going to use this as just t-shirt material. To use a stretchy material would work much better, and let it stretch sideways. This is just a sleeve from a t-shirt, and I'm going to keep this hem here for by her feet, for that side there. And then I'm going to use this also a stretchy material from those puffs. I'm going to use this for the top. I'm going to try and make it like I want to put this picture here in the top here in the center. So yeah, let's get started then. For the leggings, turn the material right sides together. So let's just turn this inside out then, because I'm going to mark with white on the black. That's actually why. And then, so just open the legs and put it on the. So I'm going to put it like I want the feet here by the hem, because I'm going to use the hem as the hem for the ski pants as well. And then just make sure she's straight. And then I also some use soap to mark them on black, white soap, or well, any soap, and you just go straight on. Um, okay, so this is for the pants. Okay, and then for the top, I turned my material inside out, right sides together, and then I'm just gonna put the door. I open the arm straight like that, and okay, with this one, I'm just gonna measure because I want that picture definitely on the top here. So you can just put it like that, and then with a pen or a marker, on the side I will just use a pen, just go see where's the neck side here, and then the arms straight. Make it until the end of a hand, because if you put a shirt on and you bend the arms, the sleeve will automatically move up. So make it a little bit longer then, so you can sit in the right place when the sleeves is up. And okay, I want to make it a bit big because I actually want this picture in there. So I'm going to use this picture as my seam. I must work. And then just try it again for the arms. And then top about. yeah, panty stops, like all the other dolls under the bum, like I always say. My picture here is good to go straight. Just measure about round by a bust. And then again here by arms. Okay, I actually cut out a piece big enough so I can fold it straight on the line that I made here for the neck, by the neck and the arms. So I'm just going to fold it on that line and then just pin it down. Okay, and then like always, okay, you can hand sew it with just a back stitch, or do it with your sewing machine. I'm usually using my sewing machine for a little bit bigger projects, like little small ones, like for instance with this and the warehouse room, I do a hand sew. But then I'm just going to work straight on the lines that I draw here. Just keep the by the hands and yeah, underneath by the body, just keep that open. And I'm going to do the same with the leggings. Going to just work straight on this lines that I draw here. For this, just leaving this but here by the feet open, and then of course here by the top, by the body, leave open. So yeah, let's do that now. I've everything is now worked all around, so I can just take off the pins, and then you just cut it out as close as to the seam, not too close, but yeah.
And just fold it in half and just cut a round circle for the head to go through. And the same with the pants.
And then just turn it inside out. So there you go, quick little outfit. Now just see if it's going to fit our little doll. And there you go, our little girl's first outfit. So yeah, it was quick and easy. And I'm gonna definitely make some more of this as well. But for today, this is enough. So until next time, bye.